This morning, happy Wednesday, it's breakfast time at Chef Lothian's Kitchen. We have our sausage and bean, we have our stew kidney, we have ackee and saltfish, we have cook up saltfish, callaloo and saltfish, fried plantains, we have corned beef with mixed vegetable, white rice, we have curry chicken, we have brown stew chicken, fried dumplings. It's a rainy Wednesday morning. Come on down and try our breakfast this morning.
Can I tell them? We have Shelly also.
We also have bulgur porridge, bulgur and banana porridge, and we have cornmeal porridge and boiled provision. To 1706 Merrick Boulevard 114-20 Sufton Boulevard, Chef Lothian's Kitchen. Good morning, sweetheart.